Okay, Road America, GT3. I'm trying to warm up my tyres. I don't think I've done a very good job, but I don't think anyone else has either.
Get ready, going green.
About to go green. I don't know when they're going to go. Let's see.
Pace car is off.
Pace car's in. Are we going yet? Yeah, I think we've gone. It's always hard to tell.
Green flag, green flag.
There we go, green flag. Have I got space on the inside? Maybe. Maybe. Let's see.
Right side.
Okay, well, I wanted to avoid getting hit there.
Clear on the right. Car right. Still there.
I'm being quite tentative here, but 20-minute race, no fast repair. I don't want to get damage early on.
Three wide.
3 wide.
Right. 2 wide.
Not what we want.
Still there.
Okay.
Stay on the left.
Doing okay.
Keep to the left.
Keep on the inside.
Clear on the right.
Okay, we've kept ahead.
There's an incident behind. Right side. Clear on the right.
Okay, we made up a space as well, I think. Tyres aren't warm yet, though. So we're having to be careful.
Check alignment.
Car on your left.
Christ, where's that guy going?
Still there. Hold
Where
on.
the hell was he going?
There's an incident ahead. You've got wheel damage. One of
Jesus.
your wheels is out of alignment. You'll have less grip out there.
Christ.
You've got damage on the left side.
What the hell was he doing?
On the straight.
Oh, Jesus.
You got a slow car on the left.
Okay.
I don't know what to say. I've had a bad day today. I think I'm going to call it quits.